Hey friends, if you wish to check the Microsoft Word version on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. You need to click on File and then select Account. On the list on the right hand side, there's something called as About Word and it will show you the version. You can click on About Word and it will show you more details about the version. But here's the whole point about it. The license is not for Microsoft Word, it is for Microsoft Office. So it will be for all the apps shown here like Word, Excel, PowerPoint and OneNote. And if you're talking about the version will be same for all of these apps. There is absolutely no difference. If you are not satisfied with the version you are on, simply click on Update Options and select Update Now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.